Are we headed to 80K? Are we going to go up higher? Are we hitting that 100K? Or are we about to crash down? Let's talk about it.
Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 90% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades.
Hey everybody, Joel here. Hope you guys are doing well. I want to talk about the markets today. I want to talk about Bitcoin. I want to talk about the crypto markets and kind of where we're going from here. So I hope you guys are having a great day today. By the way, I wanted to mention recently we did a guest webinar, guest presentation, what called the Yellow Brick Road. I'll put the link to that in the description here. A lot of our mastermind members were invited to this, plus anyone's welcome to check it out. Has to do with more stock options and also can be applied to crypto as well. Really cool indicator and chart. I'll put the link. I said you guys can go check out that webinar. All right, guys, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on a tear. Trump got elected as we had predicted. We were pretty sure that was going to happen, and we've had the Trump pump. That's pretty much the direction that we wanted it to go, and it's really, really good for crypto. And why is it good for crypto? Well, more money, liquidity, people, Trump's, who cares about what anyone thinks about their politics? At the end of the day, Trump's a businessman. He wants to pump up the economies. He wants to make businesses stronger. And he says he's pro-crypto. We'll see in the long run. But I do think so. I think we're starting to see other governments around the world taking it serious. So I think this is good. But I want to remind you something about crypto. Price is always moving in a wave. So it gets really exciting. I think before I left out this morning, we were like 74, or maybe close to 76 right now. And then we're heading out, we're heading up. Are we going to hit 80? Well, remember, price is always moving in a wave. Just like you see the waves right there. Price is always going in a wave. Sometimes the waves are bigger. Sometimes they're a little smaller. Sometimes they come in faster. Sometimes they're a lot further apart, but they're bigger. But remember, price is always moving in a wave. And the great thing about that is you can make a lot of money in those waves. You can extract those dollars, those funds, those trading USDT, whatever you're trading. You can trade Bitcoin, you can trade against your trading pair, but you can just extract those profits in the wave. And you can make money when price is moving down. So price is always moving in a wave. It's going up or down. What people don't understand is they think that in crypto, you can only make money when price is going up. And that is wrong. You can actually make a lot of money when price is going down. That's called shorting the markets. Now, one of the strategies we use is our wave bot strategies, where we are constantly making money in the waves, whether the price is going up or down. I'll go ahead and put some of my screenshots to show you some of the profits of this example of me making money going long and short, and it's also automated. So, by the way, if you want to check out that strategy, I'll also put another link down below. You can attend a workshop. We'll teach you about the wave bot strategy in one of our workshops. You can attend that workshop and get $10 in Bitcoin for attending it, taking a short quiz at the end. And we started a new thing where you can get a free weekly trade alert. That's another thing that we do is we do trade calls. We have over a 90% win rate right now, and you can actually get one of those every week for free. If you want one of those a day or multiple a day, you can check out our service below. Go watch that webinar. All right, so let's talk about it. So Bitcoin is on a very steep trajectory to head on up. But is it going to go up in a straight line? No. Is 80K on the horizon? good chance we're going to hit 80K here. Now the next question is that going to be the top? Is that going to be the top of Bitcoin? Are we going to shoot up to 100K? It's a good question. I think long term, we will probably hit 100K. Are we going to hit it before the end of this year? Who knows? Usually what everyone thinks is going to happen doesn't happen. And then Bitcoin will just surprise you and it catches a lot of people off guard. But here's the one thing that I've noticed, and I've noticed this for a long time. If you take a look at who is getting into the markets right now, retail is not getting back into the markets. Usually what happens, guys, is we are in bear markets. Nobody's interested in crypto. Nobody wants to do anything with crypto. By the way, that's the best time to get into crypto. That's when we were buying Bitcoin at $15,500, $16,000. And that's the best time to get into crypto, when you're in the deep, deep despair of a bear market. You want to buy when it's uncomfortable, and you want to sell when you don't want to. So if we talk about Bitcoin, buying when it was uncomfortable was in the FTX crash, prices going down, everyone was saying crypto is a scam. That's when you need to change your mentality, and that's when you should be buying. And then when you want to sell, it was when prices going way up. Well, where are we right now? We're at all-time highs right now. We're in, some people call it price discovery mode. There's really no such thing as price discovery mode. Crypto is just gonna move in these waves, and it's gonna create new support and resistance channels. But right now, things are really, really pumping. And we're starting to develop some exhaustion on this. So we'll probably crack down, probably go down to 71, 70, 70K, and that'll put the fear in some people. That'll probably be some good dip buying opportunities for some short-term trading, but I do want you to be aware that as retail comes in, they start buying, and they start buying when things get decided. So you watch when Bitcoin hits 80, 90,000, that's when the masses will start flooding in. Look at the Coinbase app. When the Coinbase app hits number 1 on the App Store, you know what that means? That means you should start exiting the market. That means you should start getting out of the markets and taking your profits. And if you're not already taking profits on the way, I've already taken a big chunk of profits at these levels right here when I was buying Bitcoin at that 15,500, 16K level. Did I sell it all? No. But I'm already taking profits. So just remember, buy when it's uncomfortable, sell when you don't want to. Now, does that mean it's too late? No, not at all. Right now, there's still altcoins that are about to take off, and some of them are taking off right now. I didn't know which ones to get into. Well, that's something that we do teach in our programs. If you want to check out our program, we have a portfolio pass. We tell you the altcoins we're buying, we tell you when we're taking profits, and when we're exiting the markets. And then also we talk about shorting when we start to short the markets. So again, if you want to learn all this, go register for that workshop. We'll teach it all to you. Bottom line, it's an exciting time for crypto. You're probably going to see craziness going from now, probably for the next month and a half. And then get ready, because Bitcoin and crypto will surprise everybody. And just as fast as it can go up, it can go down just as fast. So one last word of advice. When you are way into profit on your crypto and you're excited and you want to start telling people and you're like, yeah, this is going to the moon, take your profits. Start taking profits. Take at least your initial investment out. Take those profits, because there are many times, and I've done this myself, where, you know, my Bitcoin or whatever is way up in profit, and I think to myself, oh, it's going to go up more, it's going to go up more. And instead it slams down and all the profits that I gained were gone. You don't realize a profit until you hit that sell button. Learn to hit that sell button, take that profit. Alrighty guys, let me pan around here. I'm down in Cocoa Beach. I'm heading out to a seminar next week, but we're also spending a little bit more time out here in the winter time. I'll pan around here and show you guys the area a little bit. Hold on, if I get this to spin around. Nice day at the beach. I love to take my morning walks. Probably head out fishing here in a little bit. Beautiful view. Right out there is where we watch rocket launches. So if you haven't ever seen a rocket launch, SpaceX, NASA, Blue Origin, they launch everything out there. So it's pretty awesome. Great place to hang out. Great place to look at the waves, go surfing. Anyway, I thought I'd go make a video for you guys today. I'll make some more. As always, take massive action in your life, anything you do. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.